Water rotor is a unique way of extracting energy from very, very slow-moving water. This technology is not a surface technology. It sits either on the bottom or well under the surface, so it's not obtrusive.
The rotors create continuous electricity without burning fossil fuels or other non-renewable resources.
The important thing to note is that 71% of this planet is moving water, and nobody is extracting energy from it on a larger commercial basis other than dams. I think you're going to see this as a basic technology. Like the first plane was just a biplane. Years later we have jumbo jets. I think you're going to see jumbo jet versions of this running in many of the planet's large waterways. It rolls with the flow, so fish aren't going to get chopped up or caught. There's enough energy in the Gulf Stream, as an example, to power the whole eastern seaboard.